Well, I don't care. This looks like a beautiful elevator.
Yo, the property this mall is on is a 100-year lease from the Ball family. That's interesting.
Wow.
And that family still owns the property this mall sits on, so they could tell this place to get the hell out anytime they want.
Oh, wow.
63 acres. Morris Smith and Newport Beach.
Oh, let me get on it. I'm gonna get a really quick cab view.
Do it now.
Okay. Oh, I'm on the button side, right?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
I think we're just gonna go to 2 and get off at 1.
I'm getting off at 2.
Okay.
Dude, fuck this. I want to film them all, but I don't think I'm doing this one, bro.
You don't have to.
It's too crowded for my liking.
Okay, I'm gonna get off at 1. I'm gonna let these people.
Okay.
I don't want to hog the elevator.
Yeah. Oh, I'll try. Okay, I'm gonna go do the escalators, and then I'm gonna come back here.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm off.
Okay, I'm gonna get off at 1. It's just a basic elevator, modernized vector, nothing really that special.